Welcome back, everybody, to another Fuzzy Dice Motors dealer auction walk around. It's cold once again, and so that's why I'm standing here doing the little intro video. And a quick update, which I think maybe I already did online, I'm not for sure, but the that black Lexus SUV I drove around actually sold for $4,400. And without further ado, let's go ahead and go look at some vehicles. First up is a 2012 Honda Pilot EXL. That means this one is the hard-loaded one. It's got the fancy wheels, the sunroof, the leather interior, all the bells and whistles. It's got the fog lights. This one has 167,000 miles on it, and as we all know, this is the Honda Pilot, so very, very low miles, actually, for a Honda. Love the Honda Pilots. They are fantastic vehicles. We're going to go ahead, walk around the entire daggum thing, and take it for a little test drive. Looks like we got some Michelin's on the back. Something on the front, don't know what it is. Hey, it's got four tires on it. Got a little tow bar thingamajig going there. This is the four-wheel drive. If it was a two-wheel drive, I would not be looking at it because I don't understand why you'd have a two-wheel drive SUV, but some people do. Anyway, the body looks good. We're going to take a look at the interior here real quick. Like I was saying, we got the leather seats, nice looking floor mats, and I believe, do not quote me on this, but I believe this is actually a third row seater, and the third row is currently in the flush position. But yeah, very, very nice. All kinds of heat and air controls in the back as well. Headliner is in great condition. Like I mentioned, we also have a nice sunroof, heated seats. My friend Jason's right there. And we're going to go for a little test drive. Oh, it's cold as hell outside. And thank goodness we have heated seats. The heat's already on. All kinds of fanciness going on here. Heated seats right there. And I'm going to throw on a seat belt. And we're going to go over here. Yep. So just a second. I'll be right back, folks. All right, here we go, folks. Going to go on a little drive.
We got brakes.
We got brakes. It's like it was last week up here, folks. The wind has just made it really crappy up here. It's not actually that cold. It's like in the 40s, but the wind has just made it horrible feeling. Oh, let me do a quick update for everyone. The black Lexus SUV that I drove and showcased last week, it did sell for $4,400. I feel like I missed out on that. I should have bid. That's definitely worth $4,400. I probably would have listed that thing for around $69.95, and then of course people probably would have talked me down, and I probably would have tried to have sold it for $6,500. But I missed out on it. And my heated seats are heated, and they are going above and beyond duty. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the heated seats off because it was on high. You got to figure out how to read buttons. So far, so good.
It's just so many people out here.
It's shifting out well. We don't hear any noises. Of course, that's a Honda, so it's doing Honda things, which means it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It is B088. Well, so far we had a very uneventful test drive, which is what you want. There just doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. I think the ABS light is on or something, but
Yeah.
yeah, so that could be a wheel speed sensor like it usually is.
Which one was it?
We are sitting in B088. So I see that's 81, 83, 85, 7. So we are in front of this little blue rig.
Oh, okay. I thought we were beside it. So right here next to the Denali.
Yes. All right, guys, I'm going to go and turn this off and get this parked, see if we can't find something else to look at. Yeah. Well, how about this? 1995 Camry, 234,000 miles, and looks like somebody's been chomping on it, and chomping well, eating good in the neighborhood. Cancer all over the place. We got cancer, we've got clear coat, burn, we got the put on love sticker, which I don't know what that means, but I don't know about putting on the love, but I think someone put on the hurt. Put the hurt on this. More cancer over here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, it is cold today. It is windy. And actually, again, it's not really all that cold. It's the stupid wind up here that just kills everything. Man. So, you know what? This is such a terrible, terrible looking vehicle. My gosh. This thing, oh, just different type of door handle. Hey, it works. It opens. Well, the interior is a lot better than the exterior, that's for sure, which usually it's just the exact opposite. Actually, wait a minute. This is a two-door. What in the world? I just realized that this is a two-door Camry. Well, that's news to me. I never knew they made a two-door Camry, but yeah, here it is just the same. How about that? You can't say I'm not observant. I was going to say absorbent, but I was like, well, I might be a little bit absorbent. Okay, we're not going to waste any more time on this. I just wanted to show it to you because it's in such terrible condition on the outside, which is so weird that the inside is not terrible. Moving on. When was the last time you seen a little Dodge Neon? Huh? Well, here you go. 05 Dodge Neon, 120,000 miles. And for you youngins out there, did you guys know that the Neon was first introduced as a Plymouth? It was a Plymouth Neon. Then when they shut down Plymouth, they moved the Neon over to Dodge. So yes, these were a very popular car. They sold a butt ton of these. And of course, for those of us that are in the know, we know that the little SRT Dodge Neon was an absolute hoot. Had like 225 horsepower, something like that, six-speed manuals. And people still love those today. We got some clear coat burn up here, but then again, this is an 05. I don't really have any interest in trying to bid on this vehicle, but you do not see these on the road anymore. That they've all been since retired to that great salvage yard in the sky. But I will go ahead and show everybody briefly, if you've never seen the inside of a Dodge Neon, this is what one looks like. Has a very interesting smell to it. Very interesting indeed. We're going to go ahead and just leave this where it sits, but most of you people may have never seen one. Moving on. Well, guys, I guess that's going to go ahead and wrap up another dealer auction walk around. A little bit too cold and windy, and we didn't see a whole lot of interest. I did like that Pilot. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead, if you would, like, comment, subscribe. It's free. Just click that like button. And we're we're also going to be, or not going to be, we are on Rumble and Facebook and TikTok and all those other places. If you want to contact us directly, that is fuzzydicemotors@gmail.com. And as always, folks, better cars, best prices is Fuzzy Dice or no dice.